and welcome back to my channel. And welcome to Phoenix Park. Today I'm joined by two world-renowned skiers, Steven and Abby. Let's see them in action. Got this, lady! Now we do an upward shuffle to the left. Steven's first time skiing. You got this, Steven!
I definitely do not.
I believe in you!
Yeah, let's find out.
Oh my God, he's going so fast! Steven, how do you feel?
Like a mess right now.
Pizza! Pizza! Oh my fucking shit! He's flying down like a fucking bullet! Oh my God! Holy shit! Shit! Go ahead.
I might run into you.
You won't. Good job, lady! You got this, lady! 500 years later.
How did Steven do? I saw him fall.
He flew down. He did not know how to slow down.
I need to slow down.
So, here we are, Phoenix Park. Steven's already way down the mountain, if you can see. He's flying down. Abigail's still up at the top. Can't even see her now. It's pretty nice so far. A lot of the lifts are open and running. Overall, we had a lot of fun here. I think I would rate it 4 flying skiers out of 5. And
Like and subscribe.
hit the bell, post notifications. Lady, you look like you got a dump truck.
What?